Gabe. Okay, at saka si Henry C.
Investor pa lang po sila.
Yung mga kasosyo sa negosyo sa tulungan.
Ayan, tama.
With Angel Luxie. Hirap pa yung ganda ng medicine kit. Sige ma. Hirap po na official camera for all. Pang Facebook, pang billboard, pang Instagram. Okay, palabasin lang muna natin yung kahapon pa kasi medyo namutlan. Okay, thank you. Ayun. Thank you for surviving arcade. Okay, sige ma'am. Gamitin natin yung camera ni Miss Liza Soberano.
Yeah, everyone, we are gonna be flying to Manila. So it's like, how many hours? I think it's like 12 to 13 hours of flight. So we are boarding for the first time from Seattle, Philippine Airlines. So we're gonna try it out. And it's a straight flight, which is, you know, less hassle. And hopefully it's gonna be beneficial for us. So we're gonna see what food they would serve, their in-flight entertainment, and, you know, like the Philippine hospitality. And we are gonna be seeing you guys in the airplane and then afterwards in Manila. Anything you wanna say? Are you excited to go to the Philippines, Ivy?
Yeah, nagbayad kami ng $150 for exit row, so let's see.
Yeah, I know. And then I think this the middle seat is vacant, so we were assigned to a different seat. So hopefully it's gonna be better because there's nobody in the middle. So yeah, it's a straight flight. We're gonna see you there. We're gonna enjoy the Philippines and do whatever vlogs there. See you guys.
See ya.
Hey. Perfect.
Let them go.
How was it? Yummy? You got whiskey and vodka. Cheers! Have a good sleep. It's breakfast time after 10 hours. How are you so far?
I'm tired.
Yeah. Although we have the leg room, parang correct. We have the leg room, pero you know, like the fact that you're sitting down for almost, yeah, more than 12 hours, really tiring. We're glad it's less than 2 hours till Manila. See you in a while. Bakit ang init? Morning. Morning, sir. We finally arrived in Manila after 13 hours. How do you feel? Mainit na pala siya. So, exiting and getting our luggage. In fairness, ready na ang mga cart. Ready na siya sa carousel at di mo na kailangan kumuha. No? We officially arrived in Manila after 13 hours of flight, you guys. We survived! So, yeah, like brief itinerary in the Philippines. We're gonna spend like overnight here in one of the hotels in the Newport City. And then tomorrow we're gonna fly to Bohol. We're gonna spend a little bit more time there. And then after that, we are gonna be flying back to Manila. So, yeah, I'll bring you guys there. Good morning, everyone. We are checking out at Savoy Hotel. I wasn't able to vlog yesterday because we were so tired, so I just slept right away. But we are, where we're going, heading to the airport.
Wow.
Yeah. So you guys sit down here first, then we're gonna book for a ride. Just arrived at NAIA Terminal 2, and we are heading to the check-in bay in a while. Aside, di ba parang aside from NAIA 3, favorite natin itong NAIA 2. Kasi spacious siya and very convenient as well. So we're gonna see where are we gonna be checking in. Sure, AirAsia na pala lahat to. Fairness.
You are around at gate 17 downstairs. Once again, gate 17 downstairs.
Kind of chaotic. Maybe because it's a Saturday, di ba? Madaming ano talaga.
Mas madami dito pag summer.
You know what? I really wanna go and eat Dunkin'. Wala pa akong nakitang Dunkin'. Mr. Donut lang eh, pero that's the goal. So we're gonna eat first, and then we're gonna ride the airplane and see you guys in Bohol. We just landed in Bohol, Panglao Airport. Hindi masyado mainit ah. Welcome to Bohol, Mari. First time niya. First time in ever.
Sa lahat ng napuntahan kong bansa, dito pa yung first time.
Ako second time ko. Pero parang yung first time ko, parang 14 years old pa ako. So excited! Okay, so magpunta na tayo sa van. So we rented the van. It's 2,800 per day. So yun. Riding a van. We are eating here at the famous Gerarda's. I think it's their old house.
Beside me.
What?
Who's the fat guy?
Tata.
Oh, okay, good.
Sir, ito po yung ating windfall po. Okay po siya 8 AM until 30 PM po. And yung towel card, ito ma'am. May standby dyan po natin ba? Pag-i-upload lang po siya at
Pwede dyan maligo. Ay, soy pala yan. Kala ko.
Isda yan.
para i-initiate po yung beach towel.
Okay.
At saka yung po natin is doon po yung ating cold bar po. Tapos yung drinks
okay.
po. Yung
Hanggang
best hour
yung
po
bar?
natin, yung happy hour is 3 PM until 6 PM po. Para
3 to 6.
Ano?
Happy hour pa lang ngayon. Pero hanggang oras open yun? Yung pool bar, 8 PM din.
At saka yung ating complimentary breakfast po hanggang 6 AM until 10 AM po.
Okay.
Orchard Cafe.
Saan yung dinner booking?
Yung sa Seaplace po natin.
Saan yan? So,
Sa beach front.
okay.
At pag gusto nyo kumain doon, sir, ma'am, pwede kayo mag-workshop doon sa ating front place natin.
Okay.
Kaya mula sa inyong deposit or pwede din kayo mag-booking doon sa...
Boracay tayo, right?
Oo nga eh. Ganito siyang ganito eh.
Sila yung design niya.
So,
525. So kayo muna.
sino po yung
May pinakamagandang beach. Panglao or Tagbilaran?
Panglao, siyempre.
Yeah?
Yung Tagbilaran Sea.
Wow. Oh, yan pala yung sa inyo. Look at that. And you have bathtub.
Gusto natin yung ano kasi may amoy.
Bagong linis. Oh, may balcony pala kayo eh.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ayan. Dito kayo.
Look at
Nakaharap ba?
that. Ang ganda ng ano nyo ah.
Ayun. Dito kayo.
Doon kami banda. Sige. Ang ganda ng view. So, we're gonna check ours. Ganda. Parang same na way. Alam mo, ganda. This is our room for the next 5 days. Look at this view of our room. Oh, and there's the bar, pool bar over there. Look at that. Henna never fails. So we are walking outside our hotel over here. We're gonna be exploring it for the rest of the night. Maybe go to the beach if it's not gonna rain. But so far, this is what we can see. This is the actual hotel, Henan Kawala. And there's another hotel over there, and that's Henan Alona. So somewhere there, I think it's somewhere there. We're gonna be trying to explore that. But if you only are check-in in Kawala, you can't use Alona swimming pool. So, but then you can have full access for the beaches. Good morning, everyone. We are early risers for today because we are gonna do island hopping around Bohol. Are you excited, Myvi?
Yep. Dolphin watching now. Dolphin only one.
It's only like 5:30 in the morning and we're heading outside because our tour group is already ready. I love Panglao. So, nandito tayo sa terminal, guys, na ito. So, kung saan tayo ay sasakay. So, anong nililook forward mo sa island hopping na ito?
Ulitin.
Ako yung free food. Wala ba itong free buffet? So, saan tayo kakain?
I don't know.
Wala.
Bibili ka lang ng mga chips.
Hindi pa tayo nagbe-breakfast. Pero let's see how it's gonna go. Hopefully makalimutan natin yung pagkagutom natin pag nakita natin yung mga dolphins et al.
Actually, inaantok na ako kasi gabi na doon sa amin.
Yeah, it's like nighttime in Seattle. So lilipat pala tayo ng port.
Port and
Sasakay tayo ng ibang port. So sasakay tayo sa motor for the first time in years. So sasakay daw ako doon. Ulit tayo sa motor. So first in years, na-survive naman natin. Ayun na po sila, ang ating next party. Daming mangroves. O, diba? On the way to the bangka.
So, binadala mo yung
chips.
Meron ka na pala.
May ganyan si Kat. Yeah.
We're going down the beach. So this is Balikasag Island. Patalikod daw po. Up close na yung mga asong kamotero. Kamot ng kamot! Kamot! No, sige, naka-video kayo dito ha. Naka-video kayo. That was an adventurous boat ride. Balikasag Island.
Madami ba din ba? We're going to eat lunch here.
Inaantay natin yung tourists.
So, naghihintay lang kami ng ganap.
Tourist officer kasi
Tourist officer.
ang history nitong island na to.
Nagsimula to sa mga aso. So, lumango yung leader.
Ayun o, ako daw.
Ayun na yung aso.
Siya ang leader ng asosasyon. Sabi niya, "Hello, human! Meron yung island. So, doon nag-start ang lahat. The rest is history.
Pero parang corgi yung isang aso dun, oh. Pandak siya, oh. Ayun, oh.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna wait for the guide here. For our snorkeling guide. Ting Bangkero. Kuya Albero. Albero. Meron pa.
Yuko!
Ka.
Ano ko yan?
Oh. Look at the underwater shenanigans. Ganda, oh. Lalim, no? Kasi yung mga turtle. Magpakita kayo sa amin. Turtle! Magpakita kayo sa amin.
Yatin mo na lang kami doon.
So, there's a lot of bankeros over here. And we are heading towards the snorkeling area. Somewhere here. There's lots of Koreans, Chinese. Yeah, mainly them as tourists. Ready na pa, guys.
Sigurado lang dyan may turtle ha. Pag walang turtle dyan, kuya.
So, see you guys later. De-describe na lang namin bagay trap sa ilalim. Hindi kasi waterproof to eh. See y'all.
Yeah?
Bye na. Yay!
Oh my God, it's cold.
Malamig.
Where? Hindi ako makaikot eh.
Yan. Hi guys, so we're back in Napampang after our snorkeling activity. It was really nice. Dalawang there's two pawikan ang nakita namin. It's very nice to see them actually in their wild, in their own habitat. And then we also went to the coral area. It was really nice, different colors. There's like blue, yellow, may pink pa na coral. But yeah.
French fries.
We're back to the land. Dumagundong ang MOA Arena. We're going back to the hotel, guys. Pwede ba dyan? Ha? Pwede ba dyan?
Why not?
Pupul na tayo. Parang masarap yung piña colada, no?
Buti pa dito ang lamig ng water. I like it.
Yeah, it's like so nice. Nagutom siya, so kailangan natin kumain. Mag-swimming muna kami before everything else paikot. Good morning, everyone. We are on our third day here in Bohol, and we are heading to the land tour for today. So hopefully we could go to the Chocolate Hills without raining, and then Lobok River Cruise, Tarsier Farm, and all of the others that Bohol can offer. Hello, you guys are ready?
Yeah.
Let's go! Looks tropical. And ready na ang parentals for the walking today. Yes. Aren't you gonna bring your bring your umbrellas? Because it seems like it's gonna rain.
Kapag may na tayong payong, walang ulan.
Pag meron, walang payong.
Pag may payong, walang ulan. So let's
bring our umbrellas for today. So first off, tayo ay mag-breakfast muna. At dodoblehin natin yung today dahil di tayo nakapag-breakfast yesterday. Double serving. Salad. Ano po yan? Hawaiian. Closest thing. There's danggit. Let's eat. This is my full plate, you guys. So we're gonna enjoy this one and devour the next plate later. Yeah. We're here at the visitor center and you gotta pay a fee here, 100 for adults and 50 for children. Ayan. But we're gonna ride again the van going to the actual viewing hill.
No, we're going to buy hills.
We just arrived at the viewing area. Look at those chocolate hills. Oh, we're gonna go up here, like at the top of the hill, for the ultimate view. Ilang steps to? 200. Wow. Hindi na kaya.
Madami pala nila.
Madami yan. Ay, picturean kayo mamaya. Dahan-dahan lang. Approximately 200 steps daw. Amazeballs. Look at those hills. So that seems to be the best spot. Corner. Like here.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
There's a bell. So it's 1,268 mounds. Alright, so we are heading down the viewing deck. And maybe we're gonna be going here. I think it's like a tourist center or I don't know, like a rest area. So we're gonna find out what we're gonna see there. I've been here almost like, I want to say 20 years ago. And I actually couldn't remember that this has been like this. But it seems like they have developed it so much for the new tourists. And I think their infrastructure in terms of like going up this viewing deck has been better, I would assume. It says it's a restaurant. Oh, okay.
Look, who's that?
What's this?
Look, who's that? Your minion.
Did you go up?
Your minion.
No. This is $2 massage. 100 pesos. Back, neck, and head. Whoa. I just had a $2 massage over there. It was so amazing. Head, shoulders, and back massage with the arms. And then right now we are just waiting for our van. The Tarshir. So we're gonna pay here.
They also have long tail measuring between 7 to 11
Seniors.
and they use their tail to balance during jumping. Tarsiers could jump 3 to 5 meters, transferring from.
Let's go.
Tarsiers could live from 15 to 24 years. During daytime, we may possibly see them sleeping or resting.
Going here, no flash photography. You can't even see that. So cute. So it's so small. Actually, this is a very fast attraction. You can finish it in like 15 to 20 minutes, you know. So yeah, it's a nice side trip. And they're here. Look at that. Sleeping. So may mga nag-iwan ng mga picture dito. Shoutout naman kayo, guys. May mga picture doon. Of course, souvenir shops right when you exit. What's that? That's cute. Bye. Cheers. Going to the Lubbock River Cruise. Entrance to the river cruise. Odin. Lagi. Wait lang. Hintayin natin sila. Bata mag-measure there. How much? Oh, this is the menu.
Ate, may card ba kayo dito?
1,000 each bed. They have a nice boarding area here where people can wait, and you're gonna present your ID. You're gonna present your ticket towards this area over here. This is really nice. Look at that Lubbock Church. Well-developed area. Great for tourists. Just I think per head is like 1,000 pesos. It's a buffet, lunch or dinner, and you will be having this cruise with some show, everything. Time to eat. Yum. We're gonna eat first and enjoy the view later. The cruise is cruising. And that is the Lubbock Church. Wow, look at that. Wow. That's nice.
Ready, monster. 1, 2, 3. Hi, baby. Hi.
How would you rate your experience here in the river cruise?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Tingin mo sa mga nagastos natin so far, ito yung pinaka okay at sulit, right?
US na lang ako magbibilang. Balik daw sa buhay.
We're going back to the port. Port.
Inyong kasi ang buhol kanunay giipiti.
The top attraction for Nika. Better than the Chocolate Hills.
Yep.
Kasi
Love the ambience.
I love the music. Yeah. But we're gonna visit the Lubok Church over then as well. Ang linis ng ilog talaga. No? Fairness. This is the Lubok Church. And they have that flood marker. So we are heading to the beach for this morning. Good morning, Marvy! Tignan yung buhok ko. Kakagising ko lang. Walang kaligo-ligo. Diretso sa beach. We're gonna ride the golf cart because it's around 5 minutes of walk. So ayaw natin mag-walk for this morning. Okay. Hanggang here lang. Thank you! Salamat! Go here. To the beach. Ako ng towel. So I got some towels. So may isa pa palang restaurant doon, Christina's.
Spa yan?
Spa. Kai Spa. Ano yan? Baka may activities. Activity area to. Nauna na sila mami doon. So this is the Alona Henan Alona. It's like the third hotel. Hello. Good morning. Naligo na kayo?
Di ba?
Ayun na. Dito na sila. Good morning. Kaya nga eh. The beach. Masiwid lang siya today. But, malamig. Hoy, medyo malamig.
Ay, meron siyang mga something.
What do you mean?
Parang ano siya, yung parang ganyan, oh.
Oo nga.
Ay, ang dami niya, Mike.
Saan?
Joke.
Ay, dito?
Yes.
Oo nga. No? I think you gotta move somewhere. Tara, tara. Malamig. Hindi naman super. Hindi super.
Hindi naman po masyado. Sakto lang. 1 out of 10, 5.
Dami ang seaweeds.
Dami lang siyang mga seaweed.
Kainin natin.
Daming seaweed sa ilalim. After pool, ay after beach, magja-jacuzzi tayo na hindi mainit. Actually, bagay na hindi mainit kasi ang init na dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? With the parentals. Today, we are just gonna be doing the island cloud tour or maybe the main Bohol island tour to the Hinagdanan Cave. Grabe no, init.
Ang init na eh. 10 out of 10 yung init. Para walang hangin.
Walang hangin na mainit. Oo nga no, maganda.
Cave. Okay, at saka si Henry C.
Investor pa lang po sila.
Yung mga kasosyo sa negosyo sa Tubuan.
Ayan, tama.
With Angel Oxy. Hirap pa yung ganda ng medicine kit. Sige ma. Hirap po na official camera for all. Pang Facebook, pang billboard, pang Instagram. Okay, palabasin lang muna natin yung kahapon pa kasi medyo namutlan. Okay, thank you. Ayun. Thank you for surviving our cave. Okay, sige ma'am. Gamitin natin yung camera ni Miss Liza Soberano. Sige, paunahin muna natin ma'am sir kasi may flight sila sa barko. Sir, i-remove lang yung sunglasses po. Medyo low light sa loob. Para safe.
Ito?
Sir?
Walang escalator?
Nasira sir. Nasira.
Sinong sumira?
Harap nga daw sa railing, di ba?
Don't forget to hold the railings and
Next model si Inchong D.
Ayun.
Inchong D ang anak ni Mami D. Okay. Sige mo sir, stand by. Mr. Henry C. Punta ko yung guy. natin yung kahapon pa. Thank you for surviving our cave. Pag-akyat din, huwag umutot. Okay, I'm sorry, compress. All of you say hi sa camera. Masyalo-syot ay siya. Okay. So dito sa loob ng cave, may mga tumutulong malamig. Kapag malamig, galing lahat yun sa mga stalactites. Kung mainit, ipot ng ibon. Huwag lang nga pagkamalasahan. Mr. Henry, sige, charge air nila konti. Okay, ma'am, dahan-dahan na, SpongeBob. Okay ka lang. Bakit doon sa first at saka second ng hagdanan? But, hindi po nanggaling dyan yung pangalang Hinagdanan Cave. At ito po yung history nitong cave natin. Galing po doon sa dalawang butas sa taas. Kasi po yung una nakadiscover nitong cave natin is yung farmer o yung may-ari na lupa sa taas. That was 16th centuries. 16th centuries, if we convert into years, 455 years na po nakalipas. So gusto ng farmer dati na mas lumawag yung farm nila. So binunot nila lahat yung punong kahoy. And pagkabunot sumunod yan, doon na nila nakita accidentally ang dalawang butas. Naisip ng farmer, anong nasa loob? So nagtapong sila ng bato, nagulat lang po sila kasi nag-splash yung water. So at that time, yung farmer, gumamit sila pagbaba doon, yung dalawang butas, gumamit sila pagbaba nung kawayan na pinagtali nila ng lubid. So in order, gumawa sila ng hagdanan, kaya tinawag na din itong cave as Hinagdanan Cave.
So ito na ang man-made forest na tinanim 50 years ago. Tama ba? 1970s daw. Ay, 1950s pala tinanim ang mga ito.
Mayroon sama ka na sa kanila.
Man-made. So, ito ang last attraction for today. Ang Sikatunas Mirror of the World. Ayan. Siguro kaya ito mga 10 minutes ikutin.
Grabe ka naman.
Oh.
LA tayo ba yun?
Hollywood! Smart nun. Smart yun, smart. May Mount Rushmore pala, oh. Oh.
Bangkok.
May Mount Rushmore.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi future development.
North Dakota?
Wala pa, future development pa lang. So, 100, 170, 190 pala kasi night time.
Mag-cart tayo, 400.
Parang happy siya kita.
Ayun siya ba? Look.
Liberty Island. No? Maayos siya. Maayos sila. Yung itsura, no?
Sobrang happy ka lang.
In fairness naman. Quality siya, quality. Cute. In fairness for as low as 160 to 170 pesos, well-maintained ito well-maintained ang lugar na ito. Ang ganda. Ang galing ng mga nakaisip. Yan. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. So, we are going up to the Christ the Redeemer. Ayan. Dun sa taas. Kakayanin ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kaya na nga namin 250 steps.
Kaya nga. Ito, ilan lang ito.
Maning-mani.
Maning-mani. First stop. Christ the Redeemer. Rio de Janeiro. Finally. In Brazil. And this is the view from here. Going to the next part. Golden Gate Bridge.
And Washington.
Lincoln, Roosevelt, Jefferson, Washington. Yung mukha.
Katulad do, kamukha ni Byron.
Pero
Parang yung isa kamukha ko na. Ako nga yun eh.
Theodore Roosevelt.
At siya nakasalamin ba talaga? So, all in all, sulit naman siya. No?
Yes.
Nice. Nice siya.
Nice
Magaling yung
project.
nakaisip. It's worth it naman. Especially at night. There's more colors at hindi mainit. Hi guys, good morning. It's our last full day here in the beautiful island of Bohol. And medyo late kami nagising kasi nagkaroon ng accident kagabi si Nika na siya ay natapilok dito sa resort. Pero mukhang better naman na siya. Are you better, Maybe?
Yep.
Yun. So right now, we are going to Oceanica Resort. We're gonna try to go there and enjoy the last day in a different beach. So hopefully, mas maganda doon. At least yung lumot and mas mag-enjoy mga people.
You know, they use access. What is that? Pag nag-avail kami ito, then we can use order a la carte.
Mas, ayan.
Okay. O yung 500 na lang kami.
So for the 500 po, yung discount po natin is doon na lang po sa cashier. It's extra piece tayo.
Okay.
So for how many?
Turista.
Mexican na po. Mexican, Kapampangan,
Japanese. Lahat.
Japanese.
Ito ang Boracay level.
Ito daw ang Boracay lang.
Wow. So 500 for a day use. So kain daw muna tayo before mag-swimming. Mga istapegi, pizza, and nachos. Ano sabi mo sa pasta?
Masarap siya.
Yan.
Filipino pasta.
So ito yung pizza. Yung nachos unique din siya eh. Kasi parang kasaba ba to? Kakaiba siya. So papunta na tayo sa beach guys. Kahit na medyo pilay si Nika ngayon. After tapilok. Pero in fairness mas maganda yung beach dito. No? Yun no. Malaki ang shore. Mag-swimming kami muna. See you guys later. Hi guys, this is our last night in Bohol. At nasa balcony kami.
Yep.
At magdi-dinner kami ng barbecue. Isaw, barbecue.
And rice.
And rice.
In a bag.
In a bag. And syempre ang aking pares na matagal ko nang inaasam-asam. At ang mga barbecue doon guys. Dito siya banda natapilok. Dito banda yata. Yan, dyan. Sana naman may, ayan o, wala pa rin ilaw. Ayan, dito, dyan mismo. So good luck na lang po sa next naman natapilok dyan. Ayan o, dito, yan. So yun lang. Enjoy lang tayo tonight since this is our last night. Nag-order rin tayo ng pansit, maybe. Pansit.
We're still waiting for the pancit so that makahingi kami ng plate.
Correct. See you guys in Manila tomorrow. Pabalik ng Manila.